A woman's terrifying ordeal in a public passenger vehicle being chased by a cop goes viral.
Driver, just let me out right here, now. Driver, let me out right here, so driver. I'm going about my business. I don't want to be in this car when they drive it down.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
A female passenger endured a terrifying ordeal while in a taxi that was trying to evade the police in the corporate area. A video captured by another passenger in the 7-seater vehicle has gone viral on social media. The just over 2-minute long video shows the car speeding while a member of the constabulary on a motorcycle gave chase. The woman, who strongly pleaded for the driver to stop, was repeatedly ignored. The distraught passenger was also being told by others in the vehicle to calm down. She was also disrespected by the driver, who shamelessly told her to shut up. But the passenger's fear was heightened because of her past experience in a public passenger vehicle being chased by the police. One of the passengers can also be heard expressing concerns about the possibility of the police shooting at the vehicle. Amidst it all, another female passenger who was in the vehicle and heard her co-passenger's pleas tried to calm her.
Driver, just let me out right here, now. Driver, let me out right here, so driver. I'm going about my business. I don't want to be in this car when they drive it down. Just let me out right here, sir. Just let me out, driver. Just let me out right here, sir. Just let me out, driver. Please let me out. Go down the road and let me out, the man. Just let me out, let me out. Open the door, open the door.
Yeah, we go.
Oh my God, stop! Driver, stop! Driver, please stop. Just let me get out of the back of the car. I don't want to be in here. I don't want to be in here, driver. Driver, please stop. Driver, please stop. Driver, please stop. Driver, please stop. No!
Calm down.
Understand. You don't understand. Just calm down. You don't understand. This has happened before. Just relax and calm down. You don't understand nothing. Calm down. You don't understand. You don't understand. Where am I carrying now? Where am I carrying? Calm down. Just relax. Oh my God! Oh my God! That's crazy! Exactly. Push down the front seat. Push down the front seat. You don't want to push down the small. Driver, can you please let us out? You see what yeah, we know you wanted to come out, but other persons were in the front, but didn't want to come out and based on that, just breathe and calm down. Let's come on, Hurricane.
Meanwhile, the police say they are still searching for the taxi driver who led them on the high-speed chase. The vehicle was reportedly heading to Halfway Tree when the incident unfolded as the driver made his getaway.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.